8 2023 rate process questions. So for a laminar fluid flow through a smooth circular tube, the relation between friction factor and Reynolds number is the relation between friction number and Reynolds number for a laminar flow is given by F is equal to 16 by RE. So this is the right answer. And if you see RE is equal to rho BD by mu. It's a dimensional quantity that represents the ratio of initial inertial forces to viscous forces. For a laminar flow, the Reynolds number is less than 2300, which means viscous force dominates the initial inertial forces, and force is calculated by smooth ordered motion. So in this way, the frictional factor is proportional to inverse of the Reynolds number. For a smooth circular flow, the value is F is equal to 16 bar. It's given by Hagen-Poiseuille's equation. A liquid of density 900 kg per meter cube is flowing over a flat plate. The free stream velocity of 0.1 meter per second, the laminar boundary layer thickness of distance 0.2 meter, the leading edge of 0.007 meter, the viscosity is. It's given 1 centipoise is equal to 10 power minus 3 kg per meter per second. The laminar boundary layer thickness is given by delta is equal to 5x by root over REX, which is given by 5 into. So the boundary layer thickness is given as 0.007 equal to 5 into 0.2 by root over. REX as rho UX by Q. So you will calculate RE from here. RE is equal to 0.7 and 5 by 0.2, 1 by 0.007 whole square. It's equal to 20408. So then you put it here, you get mu is equal to 900 into 0.1 into 0.2 by 20408, which is equal to 0.88 into 10 power minus 3 kg per meter per second, which you get 0.88 centipoise. The answer is 0.88. Match the molecular momentum transport processes. A molecular momentum transport and a molecular mass transport, molecular energy transport, and radiation. If you'll see, molecular momentum transport refers to the movement of transfer of momentum within a fluid. It's governed by Newton's law of viscosity, so it is 2. The molecular mass transport is given by diffusion of mass within a fluid, so it is Fick's law. So Q is 3. And the molecular energy transport, this involves the transfer of thermal energy within the fluid. It is given by Fourier's law, 4. And then the radiation energy transport, this propagation of energy through the electromagnetic material, it's characterized by Stephen Boltzmann's law. So S is 1. So it is 2, 3, 4, 1. You'll see the formulas. The Stephen Boltzmann law is total radiation energy by a black body, and the relationship between its temperature is E sigma A T power 4. If you'll see Newton law of viscosity, this describes the relation between shear stresses and velocity gradient in a fluid. Tau is equal to minus mu into dou u by dou y, where u is dynamic viscosity, dou u by dou y is velocity gradient, tau is shear stresses. Fick's law gives us the diffusion of substance through another substance. That is, flux is given by d into dou c by dou x. This is concentration gradient, and this is diffusion coefficient, and this is molar flux. Fourier's law describes the flow of heat in a material. So Q is equal to minus K into dt by dx. This is temperature gradient, thermal conductivity, and this is heat flux. The two circular surfaces, A and B, are emissive, has values of emissivity of epsilon and temperature T. The view factors are shown in the figure. The consider the heat radiation only on the surface between 1 and 2, A and B, and that Stefan Boltzmann constant is given as 5.67 into 10 power minus 8. So if you'll consider the heat flow between A and B, okay, so QAB is given by, this is also a resistance. So you get EA minus EB by 1 minus epsilon A by epsilon A EAA plus 1 by AA FB FAB plus 1 minus epsilon B by epsilon B AB. So you know epsilon A is nothing but sigma, sorry, PA is nothing but sigma TA power 4, EB is nothing but sigma TB power 4. Okay. And the area of A is pi into 1 square, and this is pi into 1 square. So area is same. So QAB is nothing but 5.67 into 10 power minus 8. So it is sigma. You take common into 800 power 4 minus 500 power 4 by 1 minus 0.7 by 0.7. I'm taking area as common plus 1 by 0.172 plus 1 minus 0.8 by 0.8, which is equal to, you'll calculate, you'll be getting 9.5 kilowatts. So answer is 9.5. Thank you.